solid week now. The main story has been Dorian. We'll have another day or two that we're going to be talking about it. That said, the storm still has a lot of potential wrapped into it. Let's go ahead and show you what's been going on. Satellite perspective really helps tell the tale for us. We're taking you back to early this morning. You notice that the eye was not completely closed off at that point. You can see, though, the stronger storms surrounding the eye wall here. As it's been working its way north and over the warm Gulf Stream waters, you can see everything beginning to wrap back around. So the storm has been undergoing a little bit of a strengthening phase, even on this northbound track. Still moving almost due north toward Charleston at this point. Winds have kicked back up to 110. It's sitting about 150 miles south of Charleston at this point. It's been hitting the islands of Georgia fairly hard at this point. Hilton Head is certainly under the gun. Myrtle Beach up toward Wilmington, all places that could be seeing the effects from this storm. This is a live look from Tybee Island, Georgia. So it's kind of coming in, well, the internet comes as best as it can from Tybee Island. That's straight east from Savannah. So again, you're seeing the waves come in there, the pier that sticks out. The sea is angry, certainly, but the storm is still passing offshore. And it's a little further out than Matthew was when it was on a similar trajectory. 110-mile-per-hour hurricane, Category 2 as of this evening, sitting almost due east of Brunswick, Georgia, beginning hopefully to make a little bit of a right-hand turn as it approaches Hilton Head and Charleston later on tonight. By tomorrow afternoon, 105 miles an hour, not far at all from the Carolina coast, and again passing very close to Wilmington by late Thursday night, early Friday morning. Scoots across the Outer Banks, remaining a 2 the entire length of the trip, and then on out into the North Atlantic and doing what hurricanes do, which is weaken at that point and help disperse heat. So what's been going on with the storm? Dorian has been moving up the east coast of Florida throughout the day today. It found the gap between the two highs as we have been talking about. What happens tomorrow? The same trough that's coming in here that's going to be cooling us down begins to lift Dorian more quickly to the north and east. So as we get you into Friday and Saturday, Dorian gets absorbed into the westerlies, completes the hurricane life cycle, and everything starts returning back to normal. Dorian's still a strong storm. Carolinas may end up getting the biggest brunt from all this. For us, it's a quick hit of some early fall. Remember, early fall here, we're not the pumpkin latte kind of thing. It's still warm, but low humidity. Into early next week, it stays dry, but it does get hotter for us again. So here's the setup on our future track. There is a front coming through. Winds will shift around to the north as that high pressure builds in from the north. And when that happens, our weather actually looks pretty decent. With those northerly winds around, you're going to see temperatures a little bit below normal, but the bigger thing is the humidity will be cut. That front then prevents Dorian from getting any closer to us. You might see some clouds toward the eastern horizon, and that would be about it. Thursday, we'll see that high drift off to the east. Another front tries to drop in from the north, but all the moisture is being stolen by Dorian. And so for us, when that front arrives, might have a few clouds, a little bit of a wind shift once again, and that'll be it. From the Kentucky Mesonet, kymesonet.org, what can show you is that it's a hot afternoon. Barberville's at 91, Whitesburg's at 90, 87 out of Owingsville, 87 in Lawrenceburg, 90 in Stanford. Bluegrass Airport, it's been a hot day. 91, there's a 7-degree swing from the Bluegrass Airport to the Mesonet site there at the Nicholasville and Manowar. It's also muggy, west wind at 13, 91 has been the high today. For tonight, beautifully clear. It's a comfortable night. Overnight lows down around 60. Your day tomorrow, sunshine with some little puffy decorator clouds. Cooler, less humid. Highs flirting with right about that 80-degree mark. Here's what the rest of your 8-day looks like. And we're talking temperatures that are nice going into the weekend, low 80s. That is what early September is all about.
Yes, we like it. Thank you, Bill.
All righty.
The Democrats